Hi, it's Bill with Best Tours of Denver, and today I am on one of our Denver day trips to Boulder, Colorado. I am standing in Chautauqua Park. That's where the Chautauqua Dining Hall is. But anyway, today I'm going to take you to some famous things here in Denver. I'm going to take you to the Pearl Street Mall and the Tibetan Tea Room, and of course the Flatirons are just right behind me. There's a nice hiking trail. I'll talk about Flagstaff Mountain, and I'll take you to the Sink restaurant as well, and show you some photos and give you some tips and some information about these areas. Also, if you'd like to know more about our tours, just go on our website at besttoursofdenver.com. Let's get started. Behind me, you can see the Flatirons, kind of very famous here in Colorado and of course in Boulder. I am on the Chautauqua Trail. If you go to the very top, which I'm not going to do because it's March and snowy, as I've been talking about, it's a little icy up there, but definitely go up there. There's a really beautiful arch, great views of Boulder once you get up there, and just behind this mountain is Flagstaff Mountain, so that is where some more trails are, some more great views of the city, and also the Flagstaff House, which is a very famous restaurant here in Colorado. So definitely do these things when you come to Boulder. I am very near the Pearl Street Mall. I'm in the park right next to it, and I'm going to show you the Pearl Street Mall and the Tibetan Teahouse as well. This is a really good half-day thing. You don't have to spend half a day, but 1 to 2 hours or as long as you want. But lots of shops and restaurants. It's really beautiful. It's a little bit of a European feel when you go there, and the mountains are beautiful. I am at the Sink restaurant in Boulder, which is on the hill, which is directly across from the University of Colorado campus. This is a famous restaurant here in Boulder. It is actually known pretty much all over the state. It has been here for 100 years. In 1908, it was a fraternity. In 1923 was the first time it was a restaurant, and it has been a restaurant ever since. 1955, Robert Redford worked here as a janitor. So this is definitely a stop you want to come to when you come to Denver and to Boulder. You can see behind me all this great graffiti. That's what it's known for. Their food is good. Pizza and burgers are their specialty. So definitely I recommend this. I am at Boulder Falls, and I won't be doing this intro for very long because I'm kind of teetering on the side of a rock, and I know no one wants to see me slide down the ravine. So anyway, this beautiful waterfall is definitely something you must see when you come to Denver, onto Boulder. It is about 10 to 15 minutes outside of Boulder City Center, but an easy drive and honestly an easy hike to get up here. Unfortunately, it is March and there is some snow and ice on the ground, so this would not be the time of year you'd want to come for a leisure little stroll. But otherwise, the path from the road to the falls is very short. So this is great if you don't like a lot of hiking and just want to see some beautiful falls. Okay, that concludes our Denver day trip to Boulder, Colorado. Definitely take the 40-minute drive from Denver to get here. It will be worth your while. There's so much to do and so much to see. If you like nature, this is the place for you. If you'd like to know more about our tours, go to besttoursofdenver.com and you'll see the full information about our Denver tours.